Welcome to All Motors Brands, your ultimate destination for the most thrilling reviews and comparisons of the world's fastest machines. Today, we're diving into a high-octane face-off between two absolute monsters in the superbike world, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R and the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. These two performance beasts are built for the track but admired on every street for their cutting-edge engineering and aggressive design. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R remains the undisputed king of forced induction motorcycles. Its supercharged 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine delivers an earth-shattering 326 horsepower, pushing the limits of what a production motorcycle can achieve. Every component of the H2R is focused on speed and aerodynamics, from its carbon fiber wings to its ultra-lightweight trellis frame. Kawasaki has fine-tuned its traction control, launch assist, and electronic suspension for razor-sharp handling at over 200 miles per hour, making it a terrifyingly fast and focused machine designed purely for the racetrack. In contrast, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory offers a more balanced but equally thrilling experience. Powered by a naturally aspirated 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, it churns out 217 horsepower with an incredibly linear power band. Aprilia's MotoGP-derived chassis and electronics package give the RSV4 Factory unparalleled agility in corners. It features advanced rider aids like APRC, multi-map ABS, wheelie control, and dynamic suspension that make it incredibly adaptable to both road and track conditions. The RSV4 may not match the raw power of the H2R, but it makes up for it with control, feel, and precision. When it comes to design, the Ninja H2R is aggressive and futuristic, with a look that screams speed and dominance. It's a head-turner in every sense, especially with its aerodynamic winglets and mirrorless, track-only build. The RSV4 Factory, meanwhile, offers a more refined aesthetic with race-ready bodywork and aerodynamic efficiency shaped in the wind tunnel. It brings Italian design flair with track-honed functionality, making it both beautiful and lethal. Both bikes represent the pinnacle of what modern engineering can achieve on two wheels, but they do so with different philosophies. The Ninja H2R is a brute force machine built to break records, while the RSV4 Factory is a precision tool crafted for riders who crave balance and finesse at high speeds. Choosing between them comes down to your riding style and how far you're willing to push the envelope. If you enjoyed this intense comparison and want more reviews, specs, and head-to-head battles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay connected with All Motors Brands.